In this video, I'll show you how to add a credit card on Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. So Cash App supports debit and credit cards from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Most prepaid cards are also supported. ATM cards, PayPal, and business debit cards are not supported at this time. Okay, now we are going to add your credit card onto the Cash App. So what we need to do first is go to your profile icon and click on the link banks. Now tap on link credit card. Okay, and once you've clicked the link credit card, you need to link your bank account. Right? That's simply it. And click continue. Once again, go to your profile icon, go to link banks right here, and click on link credit card. And you will be asked for some verification process. Okay, and then if you are having problems adding credit card on Cash App, all you're gonna do is contact the Cash App support. Click on your profile icon, go to support right here, and start a chat. And the Cash App support will be more than glad to assist you and provide solutions if you are having problems adding a credit card into your Cash App account. Okay, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.